What is the motto of the Indian Army? A. Service before self. B. Victory with honor. C. Duty to nation. D. Always brave. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is A. Service before self. Where is the headquarters of the Eastern Naval Command of the Indian Navy located? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Goa. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Visakhapatnam. What is the official motto of the Indian Air Force? A. Nabhaspasham Deeptam. B. Touch the sky with glory. C. Valor and victory. D. Defending the skies. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is A. Nabhaspasham Deeptam. Which organization is responsible for the research and development of defense technologies for the Indian military? A. HAL. B. DRDO. C. ISRO. D. BAL. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. DRDO. Which gallantry award is awarded for conspicuous bravery in the face of the enemy during peacetime? A. Param Veer Chakra. B. Mahavir Chakra. C. Ashok Chakra. D. Veer Chakra. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Ashok Chakra. Which major military operation was launched by India in 1987 to aid the Sri Lankan government against the LTT? A. Operation Cactus. B. Operation Pavan. C. Operation Meghdoot. D. Operation Blue Star. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Operation Pavan. What is the highest rank an officer can achieve in the Indian Navy, equivalent to a general in the Army? A. Commodore. B. Vice Admiral. C. Admiral. D. Fleet Admiral. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Admiral. Who was India's first defense minister after independence? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Sardar Baldev Singh. D. V. K. Krishna Menon. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Sardar Baldev Singh. Which Indian Air Force Command is primarily responsible for air defense and offensive operations in the western sector of India? A. Central Air Command. B. Western Air Command. C. South Western Air Command. D. Eastern Air Command. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Western Air Command. What is the name of the Indian Navy's indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? A. INS Kalvari. B. INS Sindhu Ghosh. C. INS Arihant. D. INS Chakra. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. INS Arihant. In which city is the National Defence Academy, NDA, a premier joint services training institution, located? A. Dehradun. B. Khadakwasla. C. Chennai. D. Bangalore. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Khadakwasla. Which of these organizations is responsible for maritime law enforcement and search and rescue in India's territorial waters? A. Border Security Force. B. Indian Coast Guard. C. Central Reserve Police Force. D. Sashastra Seema Bal. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Indian Coast Guard. Which is India's highest military gallantry award presented for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield? A. Param Veer Chakra. B. Mahavir Chakra. C. Ashoka Chakra. D. Veer Chakra. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Ashoka Chakra. Which Indian Armed Forces operation was launched in 1984 to secure control over the Siachen Glacier? A. Operation Cactus. B. Operation Meghdoot. C. Operation Blue Star. D. Operation Parakram. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Operation Meghdoot. Who was the first Indian to be appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army in 1949, succeeding General Sir Francis Robert Roy Butcher? A. General K.M. Cariappa. B. Field Marshal Sam Manekashaw. C. General Thimaiya. D. General J.N. Chaudhuri. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is A. General K.M. Karyappa. Which aircraft carrier, originally HMS Harms of the Royal Navy, served the Indian Navy for nearly 30 years before being decommissioned in 2017? A. INS Vikrant. B. INS Virat. C. INS Vishal. D. INS Vikramaditya. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. INS Virat. During the 1971 Indo-Pak War, which Indian Army general famously led the Eastern Command to a decisive victory, leading to the liberation of Bangladesh? A. General Sam Manekashaw. B. General J.S. Arora. C. General Sagat Singh. D. General Jacob. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. General J.S. Arora. The motto Sarvada Shaktishali, always mighty, belongs to which elite regiment of the Indian Army, known for its airborne and special operations capabilities? A. Gorkha Rifles. B. Parachute Regiment. C. Sikh Regiment. D. Maratha Light Infantry. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Parachute Regiment. Which artillery gun system, often credited for its crucial role in the Kargil War, significantly enhanced the Indian Army's firepower in mountainous terrain? A. Dhanush. B. Bofors FH-77B. C. K9 Vazrati. D. M777 Howitzer. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Bofors FH-77B. In 1988, the Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Cactus to thwart a coup attempt and restore the legitimate government in which island nation? A. Sri Lanka. B. Maldives. C. Mauritius. D. Seychelles. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Maldives. Which prestigious Indian Army institution is responsible for providing advanced training to officers of all arms and services in higher command and staff duties? A. Indian Military Academy. B. Officers Training Academy. C. National Defence College. D. Defence Services Staff College. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is D. Defence Services Staff College. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, commissioned in 2022, was named after which illustrious predecessor? A. Ins Vikramaditya. B. Ins Virat. C. Ins Vikrant. D. Ins Chakra. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Ins Vikrant. Which military decoration is awarded for distinguished service of an exceptional order during wartime? A. Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. B. Param Vishisht Seva Medal. C. Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal. D. Uttam Yudh Seva Medal. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal. The Indian Air Force's aerobatic display team, renowned for its spectacular aerial maneuvers, is known by which name? A. Surya Kiran. B. Sagar Prahari. C. Black Cat. D. Dhruv. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is A. Surya Kiran. Which major military conflict saw the Indian Army launch Operation Polo in 1948, leading to the integration of a princely state into the Indian Union? A. Goa Liberation. B. Junagadh Annexation. C. Hyderabad Annexation. D. Kashmir Accession. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Hyderabad Annexation. Which apex inter-service organization is responsible for the overall administration and maintenance of cantonments and defense estates across India? A. Military Engineering Services. B. Border Roads Organization. C. Directorate General Defense Estates. D. Defense Accounts Department. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Directorate General Defense Estates. What is the equivalent rank in the Indian Air Force to a brigadier in the Indian Army? A. Air Commodore. B. Group Captain. C. Wing Commander. D. Air Vice Marshal. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is A. Air Commodore. The Indian Navy's Western Naval Command, a crucial operational command, has its headquarters located in which major port city? A. Kochi. B. Chennai. C. Mumbai. D. Goa. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is C. Mumbai. Which Indian Army regiment is renowned for its distinctive uniform, including a feathered turban, and its historical association with cavalry charges? A. The Sikh Regiment. B. The Maratha Light Infantry. C. The Gorkha Rifles. D. The Pune Horse. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is D. The Pune Horse. Which indigenous light combat aircraft, LCA, has been inducted into the Indian Air Force, marking a significant step towards self-reliance in aviation? A. Dhruv. B. Tejas. C. Saras. D. Akash. Think and tell us your answer. The correct answer is B. Tejas. Like, comment and share. Write your score in the comments.